Crypto Frog ladling more of that crypto gravy down your gullet. Have you heard of Arweave? If not, you are in for a goddamn treat. Under the radar and solid gold. You know the internet, but welcome to the Permaweb. It is a collectively owned hard drive that never forgets. Arweave allows the world to remember and preserve valuable info, apps, and history forever, and by preserving it, no one can rewrite it. Arweave described themselves as a novel data storage blockchain protocol enabling a permanent serverless web and creating truly permanent data storage for the first time. Talk about a win. A much needed win for humanity. That's what I'm describing here, guys and gals. Sounds pretty good, right? Well, A, subscribe if you're not. B, if you are subscribed, thumbs up and share. The internet of the future is coming, and Arweave is at the forefront. I'm getting a tingle down my leg, a good one, not some kind of nerve damage. Disclaimer, I did grab a bag of this before putting this video out. I bought off Balaxy. I bought it a while ago. There was a big sell wall at $1.35, and yeah, I took a nibble on that gravy. It's up to $1.58 as of the time of making this video. If you want to find Arweave on CoinGecko, by the way, type out the full name. If you just type AR in the search box, it won't come up. It's that under the radar. It may actually be on other coin search services. These are the markets that Arweave is on: Gate.io, Hotbit, MXC, Who.com, and Balaxy. I bought mine off Balaxy. Gate.io is a pretty decent exchange. I refuse to use 2 through 4 on here and use Balaxy. I'll stick a ref link in the description below. You'll get 10% off your trading fees if you use Balaxy in it. Its ticker is AR. It was recently cited in 2 NASDAQ articles. Pay once, storage forever. Search engine it. You'll find it. This token is absolute butter, and I don't use that word willy-nilly. I don't throw butter around easily, friends. Pulling up their block explorer here, you can see the addresses. There are actually over 18,200 of them. Over 2.3 million transactions have been done. Data stored 766.84 gigabytes, and they're at block height 474,667. And they have 347 nodes on the go. I suggest you go to the website arweave.org to read more. Doing your own research is always awesome. Arweave's approach to smart contracts is super powerful and leverages the project's unique advantages of being a scalable, permanent storage protocol, Web 3.0 social media giant coming in the pipeline. It's likely to be built on Arweave X's. No financial advice. Arweave's founder says, "We are trying to build a Library of Alexandria that doesn't suck. It's impervious to fire and can't be burned down by marauding armies. It stores information forever and across many jurisdictions. It's owned and governed by the people rather than any government or institution." End quote. My kind of project, my kind of quote. I ain't gonna lie. Store data permanently. Arweave allows you to store documents and applications forever, for eternity. Welcome to the Permaweb. No more 404s, no more stealth edits, no more web apps that decline in quality. The Permaweb looks just like the normal web, but all of its content from images to full web apps is permanent, retrieved quickly, and decentralized forever. Just as the first web connected people over vast distances, the Permaweb connects people over extremely long periods of time. Love it, gravy. If you click on the top right, you can claim a token, and they'll send you some Arweave tokens together with a wallet. You'll be amazed how far it'll go. You sign up with Google. I tried it out, it's pretty good. They're based in London, the United Kingdom. Arweave is a protocol/platform that will provide users scalable and permanent on-chain data storage in a sustainable manner, as I just quoted to you. This has been 3 years in the works, apparently, ensuring that they tweaked a decentralized, low-cost data storage protocol that can scale. 3 years ain't easy, but they did it. OTC Desk Bearing Waters says Arweave AR is one of the most undervalued assets. The token economy is based around two main factors then: cost of perpetual storage and storage endowment. They achieved a transaction pricing model that sustainably incentivizes the perpetual storage of arbitrary quantities of data, the new profit-sharing token scheme designed to help devs cash in on the ownerless apps they make. Arweave is getting a lot of corporate attention. It has drawn investments from Anderson Horowitz, Union Square Ventures, and Coinbase Ventures. Going back to this graphic here by Bearing Waters, other investors include many top-tier funds: 1KX, a 16Z crypto, Multicoin Capital. You get the picture. Arweave is a network that connects those with disk space to spare with those who need permanent data storage. This system offers unparalleled levels of data replication and security for users, as well as financial incentives for those storing data without a middleman. And this chart shows how data usage stats has been rising fast. In May 2020, it was 202 gigabytes. As of the time of making this video, late June 2020, it's up to 766.84 gigabytes, so growing pretty fast. You can read their yellow paper. It clocks in at an impressive 67 pages if you go to their website. Checking out the Medium blog page for Arweave, they communicate well with the community. In the month of June, they've posted updates 4 times. As part of the Permaweb, you can see the subsections here. Arweave Web Archive. The traditional web is failing us. Around a third of web links break within 2 years. Archive your favorite sites and sources forever on the Permaweb. Gravy. Feedweave. Decentralized, trustless blogging platform that knows who should own your data. Spoiler, it's you. Like that. Bit of comedy. Weavemail. Big tech has control of email. Weavemail is a mail network with integrity, never selling your data, showing adverts, or violating your privacy. Love it. Ownerless communities. Explore the Permaweb. Check them out. Arweave is community owned and operated. Do you have extra storage space? The network will pay you to rent it. Oh, that got your attention. Why am I drooling over Arweave, you say? Well, it is a novel proof of authority blockchain protocol that solves a real-world problem. Amazing team, working product, around 400 nodes, as I showed you before. 55 million AR on Genesis block. 66 million AR total equals low supply. Only large over-the-counter was possible until recently, and trust me, whales were filling their bags. Arweave haven't been pushing for listings at all. I'm led to believe that all of these exchanges added AR without even asking the team. So there you go, Arweave team. This is their Twitter. Oh, it says Berlin, Germany. They may be spread around Europe and the world. Oi frog, there are already tons of data storage blockchains around. My answer, yes I know, but Arweave crushes them. No misleading information on raw data from potentially doctored results, as the data stored through the Arweave platform remains authentic forever. Once submitted, it becomes immutable and preserved. For a start, academic institutions are going to be eating up Arweave. Fight against plagiarism at the click of a finger with no course of recourse for the offender. Tough luck there, lad. You shouldn't copy other people's stuff. Arweave hopes to archive sections of the internet periodically in a bid to preserve the content that has been submitted there. Censorship of past articles cannot survive in Arweave's platform. They will retain their authenticity with claims of manipulation not holding any water. Legal docs check. Election security check. is the penny dropping yet. The only thing that limits Arweave is the imagination of man. As long as devs think it is possible and will be helpful, they can do it all within the Permaweb of Arweave. I'm talking too much and it's hot. I can't run the fan. I want you to do your own research if you like what you have heard thus far. The website is arweave.org. Simple. This gravy is unique. Might not sound super exciting data storage, right? I get that, but in this day and age, it is vitally important and of immense value. Devices are also storing data and need to secure storage that will last past their shelf life. The digitalization of documents combined with Arweave is like a match made in heaven, preserving historical data immense. Like I said, I bought mine on Galaxy. I didn't fancy the other couple that were listed when I bought it. Galaxy's okay. Gate.io is okay. You can store your AR in your Arweave wallet, which you can download from the arweave.org website. No financial advice. Your own research is the key to your financial success in this game. Comment below. I desperately want to hear your thoughts on Arweave. It is very exciting. Also, if you haven't yet, click subscribe, check out my other videos, thumbs up and share. My Twitter page is CryptoFrog202. Until we meet again, stack the chat, click subscribe, check out arweave.org. Peace.